In this section, we are going to study multiplication using calculation on paper, multiplying numbers of the first decimal place by the integer. Put each number in the right justification instead of alignment. So write 2 and 9 in the right end like this. Next, use a ruler when you underline like this. Then let's start the multiplication. 9 times 2 equals 18. So right regroup small 1 over the second grid from the right. And write 8 into the first grid from right. 9 times 7 plus 1 equals 64. So write a diagonal line on 1 like this. Then write 6 into the third grid from right. Next, 1 times 2 equals 2. So write 2 in the second grid from right. 1 times 7 equals 7. So write 7 in the third grid from right. Next, sum up the result of the calculation. The first from right is 8. The second from right is 4 plus 2 equals 6. The third from right is 6 plus 7 equals 13. Write regrouped 1 into the fourth grid from right, and write 3 in the third grid from right. Next, write the decimal point to the multiplication. 7.2 is a number of the first decimal place, and 19 is an integer. 1 plus 0 equals 1. So, the answer is a number of the first decimal place. Write the decimal point in the lower right of 6. Lastly, write the answer. That's all for this multiplication. Now we are going to practice. Push the pause button and let's try. When you finish, put the play button and check your answer. Then check your answer. Number 1. 3.6 times 27. The answer is 97.2. Number 2. 8.3 times 42. This is the same way as number 1. The answer is 348.6. Did you get the right answer to the both questions? Finally, we are going to review what we learned today. Put each number in the right justification instead of alignment. Use a ruler when you underline. Then let's start the multiplication. 1 times 2 equals 2. 1 times 4 equals 4. Next, 8 times 2 equals 16. Write small 1 and 6 like this. 8 times 4 equals 32. Write a diagonal line on 1, and 3 in the fourth grid from right, and 3 in the third grid from right. Next, sum up them. The ones place is 2. 4 plus 6 equals 10, so write small 1, and write 0 in the tens place. 3 plus 1 equals 4. Write a diagonal line on the 1, and write 4 like this. Lower the 3 like this. Next, write the decimal point to the multiplication. 4.2 is a number of the first decimal place, and 81 is an integer. 1 plus 0 equals 1. So the answer is a number of the first decimal place. Write the decimal point in the lower right of 0. Lastly, write the answer. That's all for today's lesson.